Sasa wewe minister na PS, kama nikija nikute hakuna kitu, mfunge virago mwende. To complement the existing geothermal, wind, solar and hydropower, we are implementing this project in partnership with Globelec, with the support of the African Development Bank, to a tune of $145 million. It pushes Kenya closer to our target of 100% transition to renewable energy. Currently, at least 87.42% of our power is green. Geothermal power alone contributes 45.5% to the national grid. This, therefore, means that we are on track to meeting our power demand, which keeps rising at the rate of 3.1% annually. Your Excellency, Ambassador Jane Marriott, distinguished guests, the Kenya Kwanza administration is determined to push this further as one of the measures of transitioning from fossil fuel to green energy in our bid to combat the negative effects of climate change. Green energy is also affordable, a factor that will significantly bring down the cost of power, especially for our domestic consumers. For instance, upon completion, electricity from this power plant that we launched today will cost about 7 US cents. Reduced cost of power is also a catalyst to our development pillar and manufacturing, which will not only reduce the cost of production, but also accelerate job creation for our unemployed population, especially our young people. Similarly, reduced cost of production will progressively contribute to lowering the cost of living in the long term. Distinguished guests, as the #1 country in production of green energy in Africa, we also want to attract more local and foreign direct investments. We ride on the fact that green energy is more reliable than fossil fuel or hydropower, even in times of catastrophe.